spacing wise, maybe about.
So I would give these about 8 inches apart. You could even go a little bit deeper with that one.
Sure.
So it begins.
So it begins. Yes, thank you all. We are planting the first community garden here at UMass Medical School. We're going to be planting 4 raised cedar beds with vegetables and herbs, and we have the plan of providing those vegetables and herbs to the community.
For most of my childhood, I grew up without fresh produce. We struggled with getting food on the table a lot of times. And then my dad had this idea to grow a garden in our backyard. And for me, that was a new experience. It was exciting. And finally, when we were able to harvest what we grew and we got to taste real produce, it was very changing for me.
The amount we're taught about diet and nutrition every year is increasing, and they integrate it through our entire curriculum. And I think that this garden, is kind of a symbol for that. Diet and nutrition are the foundation of people's well-being. A lot of conditions arise because of people's poor nutrition, poor diet. And I think that, this garden will help promote that image and throughout the curriculum and in the community here at UMass.